Hi there, my name is Stacy and I'm with WTI, and this is my cat Queenie, who decided to walk up on the counter just when I got out this food from Blue Wilderness. This is the salmon flavor and it is for adult cats, which she is. I will say, if you are not a salmon fan, you will not like this food. Why do I say that? Because this food smells exactly like a piece of fresh salmon. So you know that it's really good quality food. It has that grain-free formula that is really excellent for cats. We want to keep our cats healthy as they start to get a little bit older. And they will come running, I can guarantee, when they smell this food. The pellets are definitely smaller size, as you can see in the bowl as well, which is great because my cat, as she's starting to get older, she's having a little bit harder time chewing. So we definitely are going for smaller size pieces of cat food. So loving this food from Blue Wilderness, definitely high quality and great for your cats. But that's just my point of view.